are currently in the midst of an August heat wave. There's an excessive heat warning. It was really hot and humid yesterday. It's going to be even hotter today. I think the heat index is supposed to be like 110 or 115. It's about 80 degrees in here on the downstairs floor right now, so I'm going to turn this air conditioner on. And it's morning still. There's some water dripping on it from the upstairs air conditioner. I don't know if you can see that or not, but upstairs 10,500 BTU is already running. So I'm going to start this one up. Go on high. I'm going to start this 8,500 up. Got the 6,300 BTU Emerson Quiet Cool running. This thing has been working great this summer. Hampton Bay 5,100 BTU is running. The thing is super quiet, and it does a pretty good job keeping this dining room cool. And here is a 1995 8,500 BTU Sharp running. I think the compressor's cut off at the moment. Just keeping it nice and comfortable in here. I'll start the compressor up. It must have just shut off because I turned it all the way down and it didn't start. I don't know. No, it's not running right now. Here's the Hampton Bay running from the outside. Compressor is running, it's just very quiet. It has a Samsung compressor in it. And then there's that 95 8,500 BTU Sharp. Compressor is not running right now. And here's a closer look at it. Yeah, compressor is definitely off right now. I think it's been running non-stop the last few days. Here's the Emerson Quiet Cool. Plenty of air going through there. Compressor just started back up, so I'm gonna go outside and show it. I'm going to start up the Sharp 5,500 BTU air conditioner from the 1980s. Here's the model number. Medium. This one works great. And I'll give a view of it from the outside too. Got a Matsushita compressor in it. Plenty of airflow.